Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel! Have you ever had a brilliant idea for a product? Something truly unique, but felt completely stuck? You think, how could I ever make this? I don't have a giant factory or $1 million budget. Well, what if I told you that the factory of the future isn't a massive warehouse, but something that could fit right on your desk? Today, we're diving into the incredible world of micromanufacturing and how desktop CNC machines are empowering people just like you to turn their ideas into reality. This isn't just about making trinkets. It's about a revolution in creation. And it's happening right now in workshops, garages, and spare rooms all over the world. So, what exactly is micromanufacturing? Think of it as personal scale production. It's the power to design and create high-quality, physical products right from your own space. And the heart of this revolution is the desktop CNC machine. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. In simple terms, you create a design on your computer, send it to the machine, and it uses a cutting tool to precisely carve that design out of a block of material, whether it's wood, plastic, soft metals like aluminum, or even foam. It's like a super smart, incredibly precise robotic craftsman that follows your exact instructions. It's not a 3D printer that adds material layer by layer. CNC is subtractive, meaning it carves material away to reveal your final design. This process is what gives CNC-made items their professional, clean, finish, and incredible strength. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds complicated and expensive. A decade ago, you'd be right. CNC machines were massive, industrial beasts that cost a fortune and required specialized training. But just like computers went from filling entire rooms to sitting on our laps, CNC technology has shrunk in size and price. Today, desktop CNC machines are accessible, affordable, and designed with beginners in mind. You don't need to be an engineer or a master machinist to get started. The community and software have become so user-friendly that if you can use basic design software, you're already halfway there. This is the game changer that's unlocking a world of potential for hobbyists, artists, and small business owners. It's about taking the power of manufacturing out of the hands of big corporations and putting it directly into yours. Let's talk about one of the biggest hurdles for any new product: costs. Traditionally, if you wanted to create a custom product, you'd have to order a massive batch from a factory. We're talking thousands of units. This meant a huge upfront investment and a massive risk. What if people don't like the first version? You're stuck with a garage full of unsellable inventory. This is where micromanufacturing flips the script. With a desktop CNC, you can make just one. That's right, a single, perfectly crafted item. This means you can create personalized products on demand. Imagine selling custom engraved cutting boards, intricate jewelry with a customer's initials, or bespoke parts for a specific hobby. The cost per item remains low because you're not paying for a massive production run. You're just using a small piece of material and a bit of electricity. This opens up a whole new business model: cost-effective personalization. You can offer your customers something truly one-of-a-kind without breaking the bank, giving you a powerful edge in a crowded market. This leads us to another superpower of micromanufacturing: rapid innovation and testing. Let's stick with that cutting board example. You design a beautiful board and sell a few. A customer emails you and says, "I love it, but could you add a small groove around the edge to catch juices?" With traditional manufacturing, that change would mean a whole new set of molds and another minimum order of 1,000 units. It would be a nightmare. But with your desktop CNC, you just open your design file, add a line for the groove, and click Carve. The very next board you make has that new feature. You can test it, get more feedback, and make another change in a matter of hours, not months. This ability to iterate quickly is what Silicon Valley startups dream of. You can constantly refine your product based on real customer feedback, making it better and better with each version. This Loris high-speed cycle of improvement is something that was simply impossible for small creators before. You're not just a maker, you're an innovator, constantly evolving your creations. So, where does this leave you? It leaves you with the ability to find and dominate niche markets. The world is full of people with very specific passions and needs. Maybe it's a particular board game community that needs custom token holders, or a drone enthusiasts who need a specific type of lightweight frame, or woodworkers who want a unique, hard-to-find jig. Big companies can't afford to serve these small, specialized groups. The production numbers are too low for them. But for you, with your desktop CNC, these niche markets are a goldmine. You can become the go-to person for that specific community. You're not trying to compete with massive corporations making millions of generic items. Instead, you're creating highly valuable, specialized products for a dedicated audience that is thrilled to have found someone who finally understands their needs. This is the essence of the long tail in business, making a great living by selling smaller quantities of many unique items. Your workshop transforms into a hub for creativity, capable of producing a diverse range of products for all sorts of passionate communities. Let's get practical. How do you actually get started? The journey begins with choosing the right machine. Don't get overwhelmed by the options. For a beginner, you want to look for a machine with a strong community, good customer support, and easy-to-use software. Many entry-level machines come as kits that you assemble yourself, which is a fantastic way to learn the ins and outs of how it works. Others come pre-assembled, ready to go right out of the box. Your first project doesn't have to be a masterpiece. In fact, it shouldn't be. Start simple. Make a coaster. Engrave your name on a piece of wood. The goal of your first few projects is just to learn the workflow. Design, set up, and carve. You'll make mistakes. Your first cut might be too deep, or not deep enough. That's part of the process. Every mistake is a lesson. There are tons of free software options out there for design, and countless YouTube tutorials just like this, one to guide you through every single step. The community is incredibly supportive, so never be afraid to ask questions on forums or in Facebook groups. Let's visualize your first successful project. You've designed a simple phone stand on your computer. You secure a small block of cherry wood to your CNC machine's bed. You double-check your settings, put on your safety glasses, and hit the start button. The machine whirs to life. The spindle starts spinning, and the cutting tool gracefully lowers into the wood. With astonishing precision, it begins to move, carving away tiny chips, following the path you created. It's mesmerizing to watch. A few minutes later, the machine stops. You vacuum away the dust, unclamp the piece, and there it is. A perfect, smooth, custom-made phone stand, created from a digital file, brought to life by you. That feeling of holding something you designed and made yourself is truly addictive. It's a feeling of empowerment, of turning a simple thought into a tangible, useful object. And from that first simple project, the possibilities just explode. You start seeing the world differently. You don't just see a block of wood anymore. You see a dozen different things it could become. So, what are you waiting for? The future of manufacturing isn't coming. It's already here. And it's smaller, more accessible, and more powerful than ever before. It's in the hands of creators, hobbyists, and entrepreneurs like you. It's the power to go from an idea scribbled on a napkin to a professional quality product in your hand, all from your own workspace. It's time to stop dreaming about your ideas and start making them. The tools are ready. The community is waiting. You have the power to transform your workshop into a microfactory and bring your unique vision to the world. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has inspired you to explore the amazing world of desktop, CNC, and micro manufacturing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content on getting started, project ideas, and tips and tricks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a thing. What would you make with a desktop CNC machine? Let me know down in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating.